Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to discuss one of our chapters, that is of class 9, The Little Girl. This is one of the important chapters that you have in your class. This chapter is written by Catherine Mansfield. Catherine Mansfield is one of the best writers of her times. This story is about a little girl whose name was Kezia. Kezia, and in this story, she is narrating her understanding about her father. Means she was telling how her father was, how was her behavior. In the starting, Kezia felt that her father was rude and very cunning in nature. She also thought that he was a giant. But that's not true. At the end of the story, Kezia learned that how loving her father is. Now we will go through a short summary of this chapter so that you can easily get through the main points and you can easily solve the question answers of this chapter. First of all, when the story starts, Kezia is in her bedroom, and her father daily activity was to come to her room and give a casual kiss before going to the office. When the carriage goes away, Kezia feels really relaxed. Means this shows that she remained scared of him. Him means father. She remained scared of her father, and so she kept a distance from him. She did not talk a lot with him, and she also considered him to be as big as a giant because his hands was also very long, and he is having a great figure. His legs were very long, so she considered him to be a giant. She often get nervous and stutter while talking to him. In this story, when we will see this stuttering incident, when the father returns after the office to the home. In home, while coming means after coming, the father starts to give different kinds of order, just like to bring the tea, to bring the newspaper, etc. And mother used to say Kezia to go and open the shoes of her father. And this incident, Kezia very slowly she moves to her father and remove her shoes. After that, when he talks about something, she started stuttering. This is given in the story. You will read the story, you will find it. After that, what's happened? Usually, grandmother supports her. Grandmother on Sundays used to send Kezia to the means main what we say that to the drawing room where father and mother was staying there. She just wants to have a good talk with the parents, but mother was busy in reading newspapers and father was busy in sleeping. What father does on Sunday? On Sunday, grandmother sent her to spend time with parents, but father was laying down on a sofa with handkerchief on his face and legs on a soft cushion. This is the style how father used to sleep. After that, grandmother advised to plan a gift for the father's birthday, which is coming the next week, to Kezia. Kezia stitched three sides and she planned for a cushion, because cushion was liked by her father. Cushion she planned 63 sides, but she did not know what to stuff in it. And so she went to the father's room, and there she found some pieces of paper, and those papers she torn it and stuffed into the cushion. That was a silk cushion. Those paper contain the speech of her fathers to deliver in a court authority. Means it was the speech papers, and so there was a huge crowd and fight started at that night. Father was torturing the servants to say that whether they have uh, thrown away the paper or not. Mother, when she got to know that Kezia has done all this, mother took Kezia to her father, and father scolded her a lot. He became very angry with her and also beaten her. She cried a lot, but grandmother was there to support her. Okay, Kezia had a neighbor, and the name of the neighbor was MacDonald. The MacDonald family was very happy family. They had 4 children, and Mr. MacDonald used to play with her children in the evening time. And Kezia used to see, and she used to think that there are many different kinds of father. She wanted a father like Mr. MacDonald because he cared of her children, and he used to play with them. He used to take care of them. One day at the end of the story, this is the end part of the story. One day, mother was ill, and so mother went to the hospital. Grandmother had to stay with her to take care of her. So Kezia was alone in a room. Servant, after giving food to Kezia, servant let her sleep in a room and went away. After that, at that night, Kezia had the same dream that she used to see many a times. The nightmare that was there was means a butcher was coming to her with a knife, and means the butcher was ready to kill her. But when she screamed, there was no one before her. Only her father was there. Father took Kezia into her lap and taken to her room, taken to his room, and there he made her sleep with him. And at that time, at that moment, Kezia felt the lovingness of his father. That how loving his father is. Because he is very busy in his work, he cannot play with her. Because he is very busy to earn money for them, father is somewhat rude, but father is her father is very also with just like McDonald's father, McDonald's family. Father means her father is also very loving and caring, and that turned her heart, and she started liking her father. She started. She had created a sense of sympathy with her because nobody to look her father, but father is doing her job, and after that she also means father is also taking care of Kezia, and this all made Kezia started loving her father. This story is all about this chapter. Many questions can come inside the chapter, and the main point of this chapters we have discussed, and if you will listen to the points clearly, you can easily cope up with the questions.